Hi everyone! If you want to earn money online by creating high-quality cartoons and animated videos, then watch full video and stay tuned with this channel.
Hey there, today, I have an exciting tutorial for you all. In this video we will learn how to create our very own captivating animations from scratch. Open Lexico Art, here are a variety of animated cartoons, explore your own choice photo from here. I choose this photo, download the photo. Search for Photo. Photo is best photo editing website, I use it for remove image background. After removing background, now move to our last website did.com. Create account on it free of cost. And downloaded avatar here. Also paste your script for voiceover.
Are you passionate about creating animated cartoons? Do you dream of sharing your creations with the world and even earning money from your talent? Well, you're in luck. In today's video, we're going to show you how to create animated cartoons. So, let's dive in.